Hi there, welcome back. In this video, we shall explore what is an API and why it's important in tech today. Think of it as a bridge that helps two systems talk to each other. API stands for Application Programming Interface. It's like a messenger that lets one software request from another. A simple analogy, think of an API as a waiter in a restaurant. You tell the waiter what you want, and they bring it to you from the kitchen. You, the customer, don't talk directly to the chef. You just give your order to the waiter. The waiter API takes it to the kitchen server and brings back the food data. You get what you asked for without knowing the detail of how it was prepared. APIs are everywhere in web development. They help apps fetch weather updates, show maps, or even log in using Google. Whether it's your favorite weather app or a food delivery site, chances are an API is working behind the scene.